Hey there! Today we're going to learn about waves. Waves are everywhere. They're in the ocean, in the air, and even in your body. But what exactly are waves and how do they work? Let's start with transverse waves. One type of wave is called a transverse wave. In a transverse wave, the particles of the medium move up and down perpendicular to the direction of the wave. A good example of a transverse wave is a water wave. When you throw a pebble into a pond, you create a transverse wave that travels through the water. The particles of water move up and down as the wave passes by. Now let's learn about reflection. When a wave hits a barrier, it can reflect back in the opposite direction. This is called reflection. Reflection can be seen when you look at yourself in a mirror. The light waves that reflect off of your face are what you see in the mirror. But what about refraction? When a wave travels from one medium to another, it can change direction. This is called refraction. Refraction can be seen when you look at a straw in a glass of water. The straw appears to be bent because the light waves that travel from the air to the water are refracted. What about sound waves? Another type of wave is called a sound wave. Sound waves are longitudinal waves, which means that the particles of the medium move back and forth in the same direction as the wave travels. Sound waves travel through a medium, such as air or water. The speed of sound depends on the medium it is traveling through. Sound waves travel faster in solids than in liquids and gases. All about a medium. A medium is a substance through which a wave can travel. Waves can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. Some examples of mediums include solids, wood, metal, glass; liquids, water, oil, juice; gases, air, nitrogen, oxygen. Let's move on to longitudinal waves. In a longitudinal wave, the particles of the medium move back and forth in the same direction as the wave travels. Sound waves are an example of longitudinal waves. When you speak, the particles of air around your mouth move back and forth as you make sound. These sound waves then travel through the air to your listeners' ears. Next up, light waves. Light waves are a type of transverse wave that travel through a vacuum. This means that light waves can travel through space without needing a medium. Light waves travel at the speed of light, which is the fastest speed in the universe. Light waves can also be refracted, reflected, and diffracted. Light waves in water. When light waves travel from air to water, they slow down. This is because the speed of light is slower in water than it is in air. The slowing down of light waves in water is what causes a straw to appear bent when you look at it in a glass of water. So that's it for our lesson on waves. We learned about transverse waves, longitudinal waves, reflection, refraction, and the speed of light.